Hi, Sophie Gardner here from Remax Check Realty. I'd love to show you my beautiful new listing here at Premier Estates in beautiful Willow Point. This unit is arguably the best unit in the complex, and I'm going to show you why. This unit has convenient main level entry, so no lugging groceries upstairs. It has a wall of beautiful southern exposure windows, so you've got gorgeous natural light all day. And in the evening, you have full sun in your backyard. This complex is pet and rental friendly too.